Holy shit! One way to do it.
Hey guys!
Hey peeps.
We are going for a very long weekend to...
All the way to
Nobby Beach, which is probably about, no more than 15 minutes from our home. We're going there because we have some friends who are borrowing a camper trailer and they've never set it up. Their parents are actually coming to set it up for them because it's their camper trailer and they didn't want to be too far from home. So we're just doing a little staycation. We'll let you know how that trip goes and how the park is, and we'll see you on the other side.
Woo! It's getting hot. Ready.
That took a very long time, Dad.
So sorry, so probably doubled our whole trip time now.
He said that that's our site there. Juzzy is going to be next to us and maintenance is going to meet us down there just to get us into the site. So this is us guys. Nobby Beach Caravan Park looks tight. And we are in spot number 21. Let's
maintenance is going to meet us. Does that mean they tractor and park us?
Copy that.
Tell me, closer to reception or the houses?
Okay. Alright. Here's our walkie-talkies. See if you can nail it.
One way to do it.
I'm not strong enough. Push it up. Push it up. That's it. Up she goes. Done. Ready.
Cook me some eggs.
Have some really good pool villas here too. So if you've got some older kids, are sweet in the pool. You actually don't even need to leave your villa. Look at them. Pretty cool, hey? Found your spot for the day, babe?
I think probably this is the prime one.
Yeah?
Because then if there's any nice mum's sunbaking, it's just there.
You're such a creep.
Sorry, you can see the kids better from this.
Alright. Amazing water slide that we see all the time from the road.
Oh, and
We have a coffee machine. Check this out. What do we got? We've got chai lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos. You can even get chicken soup.
Really happy to see 10 Cent Tom's bin here. I didn't even know he had bins, but if you check him out on Instagram, young guy on the Gold Coast, great guy, really passionate about recycling, gets people to gather their bottles and he'll come round and pick them up, take them to the recycling centre, or you can drop them straight to the recycling centre, use his code, and then the funds go to him. So check him out, great guy, doing great things for the Goldie and recycling in general. Good on ya.
Alright, let's do the floss. Take a photo with a staff member. Oh,
Perfect, go with the boys. Go, go, go. Smile. Perfect. Everyone wins a lollipop.
lollipop.
And you guys won
A board game.
a board game for getting finding the starfish.
Oh.
Just walked about, what?
Oh, it was a grueling 6.5 minutes.
And look what we have. Beautiful beach at sunset. Morning guys, just heading down the beach for a walk. Owen is heading off for a run. Woo! Get it, boy.
Pit crew.
Just giving you a running start. Oh, is that it? Good run.
Did you get the footage?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Can we get change that?
Don't touch it. I can fish it. Don't touch it.
Ladies of leisure.
100%. This morning we went for an awesome beach walk. Owen went for a run up to Broad Beach and back, probably about 8 k's. And back, had some breakfast, and then we headed to Flannery's, an organic little supermarket, probably about 2 doors down. It's just got so much amazing food and products in there. Then we come back and had another snack. And we're just down by the pool, and all the kids, including the big kids, are killing it down the water slide. And then who knows what the rest of today will bring, but we'll show you.
Here we go! Here we go! Oh my god!
We're going to hit the organic markets at Miami High School. How do you feel?
Good, I feel very fresh and organic. No, I do, it's nice, great produce.
It is, because everything here has been certified organic, and the people that run the markets actually go and check the farms to make sure that everything is as they say it is, so you know you can trust them. It's vegan crepe, spinach, vegan mayo. Once again, I've not had a crepe in I don't know how long. I don't know how I'm going to eat with chicken.
Oh, I don't say it. I got it as a surprise.
Is it a vegan croissant?
Yeah.
Wow.
2 in 2 weeks.
I'm so lucky. Oh, I'm obsessed with these now that I found vegan ones. Thanks to you.
And I got a small roll for lunch.
Small roll. What did you get? It's bigger than my head.
Is it bigger than your boobies?
Is it bigger than my boobies?
Excuse me.
Our 5th or 6th holiday in the caravan?
5th?
5th holiday?
Maybe? Yeah.
Done and dusted. We are pretty much packed up. As you can see, the beds are not made because I'm going to wash all the sheets because we're off again. But yeah, we're pretty much packed up and ready to leave Nobby's Beach Holiday Park. It was awesome.
Yeah, it's been good.
Yeah.
Really enjoyed it.
They've got a pool with a slide, and they do like sort of kids club, like they play games or something every day, like an ice cream eating competition, a scavenger hunt and things like that. But the boys absolutely love the ginormous slide. I'm pretty sure Owen did too.
And also, while it's not on the beach, it's a bit of a walk to the beach. It's not a bad walk, and Nobby Beach itself has a cool little township. There's heaps of bars, cafes, food. Good joint all around, not beachfront. The slide and the pool area makes up for that, and it's a pleasant walk down to the sand.
5 minutes. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's nothing at all. Off on the next trip.
See you on the next one.
See ya.
Bye.
If you like Mummy's videos, hit like and subscribe and we'll make more.